young and fly and doing my thing.
You know what? Let's take a toast. Come tap your pimpin' with my pimpin'. Paper chasing, fast cars, money, and women. The unforgiving. Trife life is how I'm living. Hustling with precision. My field, my religion. And stay spinning.
What's happening, YouTube? Today we're on the 2008 Dodge Charger RT. We're taking the trim molding off the doors. One door already has it going. About to take off the rest. Got the vehicle like that, and it looks way cleaner without any trim molding than with the trim molding, especially because it's sun dried up and it just doesn't look good at all. And it's better just to get rid of it than to keep it. So I'm gonna use a heat gun to pull it off, and then I'm gonna use an eraser wheel to get all the adhesive glue stuff off of it. And after that, not today, but I'm gonna wax, I'm gonna polish it, get it all nice and cleaned up, get this car ready to take some pictures so I can trade it, sell it, whatever I plan to do with it. But all right, guys, let's get to it. All right, so this is how I got the car. This molding was already gone, and we still got this one here. I started working on it already. I got my heat gun, and this is a hose puller, but we're using it because it's metal and heat, so I didn't want to use something plastic that would melt. So I'm using it to pull this off or back slowly. So we got this side, and we got this side here to do. That's already gone. The driver's already gone. We just got this to do. And then after that, I'm gonna hit it with a rubber eraser wheel to get all the residue off and clean it on up. So I mean, shoot, let's get to it. There's that one. You see, it's all the way off now. Then I'm gonna come through with an eraser wheel, knock all that off. Now I'm about to do the other side real quick and show you all the finished product. So now we got all the side molding off. Now I have an eraser wheel with a drill that I can plug into a power source, not a cordless one, unfortunately. Didn't want to pull that out. And then we're gonna start erasing all these marks, and we might end up having to polish and wax it just to get everything looking good and even. So let's get to it. As you see, it's coming off slowly but surely. Just gonna take some time. And yeah, we have a good amount of wheel left. So we're gonna do this and keep it going. Alright guys, so here's the finished product in the daytime. The entire badges are gone. I came through with the eraser wheel, knocked off all that gunk. Now I'm about to just go through. Right now I'm just wiping it all off, but I will wash the actual car. But just to show you guys, like, that looks good. I might have to come through and hit a few pieces. But then also, I plan to wash it and then polish it, wax and polish, just so like that little stuff, I don't know if you can really see it or not, but so that all that is gone. And like here's just a nick from whatever, I don't know exactly. But yeah, it looks pretty good. You barely, well, not barely, you don't even notice that that trim molding was even there. So yeah, this looks real good. Let's hit the other side. Now this is a side that looks crazy. But as you see, it's pretty much all gone. Yeah, that actually is all gone. I just have to come through and wax and polish it. Knock it completely out. And yeah. And this is a bunch of hard water spots. I don't know what from, but I'm gonna try to get that out as well. Yeah, it looks good. And just basically took off the trim molding because this one was already gone. And I wanted it to match. I didn't want to put new trim here, leave the old trim there. Just wanted all that gone. So yeah, we left the Hemi badges, Charger badges, RT badges. Just took the trim off. So yeah, it looks good. Dodge Charger RT. Detective version. So it came from the police department, government auction. And it's pretty clean. So we're gonna keep working at it a little bit. And yeah, so that's it. I'll holler at y'all next time on the next video.